To access the website, open a web browser and go to familysearch.org. You'll have to create a free account by filling out some information and entering your email address and password. I already created an account, so I'm going to click sign in and enter my email address and password. Once you sign in, you'll be at the home page. There are a few options on this page, like what does your last name say about you? If I click on it, I can search my last name and see what information comes up. Back on the home page on the right, you'll see some recommended tasks for new users. You can start entering information about you and your family. On the top of the home page, you'll see different categories and services that you can use from the website, like building a family tree, searching for records, adding pictures, indexing, and other activities. There's also a messages section, and your account settings will be under your name. If you look back under recommended tasks and click on Add Father, it will take you to the family tree page where you can choose to start building your family tree by adding living members of your family and their information. You can view your family tree in different modes like landscape, portrait mode, fan chart, where you can see more than 4 generations, and descendancy. To go back to the home page, click on Family Search on the top left, and from here, another option under Recommended Tasks is to get started with family history, where you will also be directed to filling out your family tree to get started. Another option under Family Tree is to select Person. This will take you to a page where you can enter more detailed information on a specific person in your family tree. You can upload a photo, you can click on memories and add pictures or other documents pertaining to that person. You can also write stories of that person or upload audio files if you have them. If you click on Collaborate, you can add notes. If you click on Timeline, you will be able to see the timeline specific to each person. To the left of Timeline, there is a Details option where you can add more detailed dates and information about that person. Notice on the right-hand side there are other websites that are partnered with Family Search, and you can click on them and access certain parts of their database under Search Records. I'm going to click on Ancestry. This will take me to the Ancestry.com website where you'll find results for the person you were looking for at the main website. You can change the country and other settings like changing what type of records you want to search for. You can also search for military records and others as well. You can go back to Family Search by closing the window. Once you're there, you can click on Search and then Records from the home page. You can type in the first and last names of the person, alive or deceased, and search for birth, death, marriage, or residence records. The more information you input, the more accurate your search results will be. I will search for Mary Jones just as an example. We will search for any marriage records in Anniston, Alabama. In your search results, you will find quite a few people with the same name, so it's up to you to sort through which one is the appropriate option. You can view Mary's family tree, records, and pictures. If you click on Records, you'll be able to see her marriage certificate. It'll open in a new tab, and you can zoom in and out on the document by using the plus and minus signs to read it. You can also click and drag your mouse through the document to read all of it. You can also print from here. To go back, simply close the window or tab. There's also an option under Search where you can click on Images. It's a search engine to find historical documents or images. Another option under Search is Books, which will take you to the digital libraries of certain cities. The next option under Search is Research Wiki. This website will also allow you to search according to country. You can also find adoption records, and other searches can be made with different preferences on this page. If you want to learn about indexing, you can click on one of the recommended articles, and this will take you to a guided tour, which is an introduction to indexing. Use the tour and examples to learn how to index. Basically, you will be filling out the blanks with the information provided on the records shown. Back on the home page, you can click on Memories to access the area where you can upload files. By dragging and dropping, you can choose files from your computer from a flash drive or even import them from Instagram or Facebook. You can create an album of your pictures for your family tree here. Under the Activities section, you can try the Where Am I From section to learn fun facts about your heritage or other countries. You will have to find your country from the drop-down list, and it will show you some interesting facts about that country. And last but not least, all of your settings can be accessed through your account by clicking on the top right-hand corner where you can see your name. When you're ready to leave Family Search, just go to your name and click Sign Out. Hope you enjoy this website.